Good morning, my lovely world. Happy Sunday for all of you guys today. I am shooting with my friend Gio. We are exploring the yellow green farmers market that actually you were the one that introduced me to this. How do you find out about this place?
One of my friends let me know it was in Hollywood and we wanted to check it out.
So guys, the yellow green farmers market is located in Hollywood, Florida. You have to pay $10 for the whole day to park your car. Once inside, I mean, you don't have to pay to get in. That's for the car. And once inside, you're gonna find amazing things, and that's what we're going to explore today. I came here a few weekends ago with Gio, and I fell in love with this place. We stayed here for 4 hours. There's a lot to check it out. We're gonna have like food. You're gonna have here like, I don't know, clothing, bikinis, perfumes, vegetables, fruits, plants. You can find here anything. So if you guys want to discover this place with me, keep watching my video until the end. And hey, for the new members of my lovely world, my name is Hernandez, and I do videos about my traveling adventures. In this case, it's just an amazing farmers market. See you soon. We're gonna start from the beginning. Actually, this is the end. This is the dessert. We have this. It's very famous in Colombia. It's called cholado, and this is a dessert. It's like a ice mixed with fruits and lechera, which is condensed milk. A lot of condensed milk, and this is gonna be our dessert. So for now, I'm just gonna show it to you. But at the end, if we end up having it, I'm gonna show it to you how it looks like. My brother who just arrived, he's here somewhere. Wow, it's so bright here. They're gonna have sancocho colombiano. You guys know what it is because I have done already 2 videos about that. But I am going to have tamales colombiano. This is another delicatessen, I can't even pronounce that, from my country that you are going to learn today with me. So let's keep walking. So these are the Colombian tamales right here. They even have the Colombian music.
Tamales colombianos.
You see? Tamales colombianos.
Hoy tenemos la cerveza más fría que el corazón de Suez.
So he's always doing those kind of jokes. I don't even know how to translate that. It's so hard, but I love it. Look, we have piña colada.
How are you doing?
We have fresh. Oh, we have like a teapot. Coco. So good. We have a. What is that? I don't know what that is, but wow, the line for the carne asada is huge. So here is like the typical meat from my country too. So wow, but guys, the smell here is like when you go to a farm in my country and they cook outdoors with like the wood. I don't think I say this at the beginning of my video, but this is a different type of farmer's market because you find a lot of different things here. Like on my right hand side, you have amazing dresses, and on the opposite side, we have amazing styles and different shapes of Buddhas and decorations for the house. I love it, for the terrace and the patio.
Tamales colombianos.
My tamal just arrived. I'm sorry, I don't know the name of this in English. We found these sancochos. Okay, so here are the sancochos. So we have sancocho de gallina, sancocho de res, which is like beef sancocho, sancocho de pollo. We decided to sit down in this little corner, very private table, and my friend is gonna have her sancocho, my brother too, and I'm waiting for my tamal that I bought at a different place, but it turned out that they're really good friends, so they're bringing my tamal here. I don't have to walk all the way there. I love my Colombian people. Gracias, muy amable. Thank you so much. She was so nice and brought me my tamal right here. We just finished our amazing, wow, what happened with my hair? It's amazing, it's a mess. So we just finished our amazing Colombian lunch. We're gonna walk around and continue exploring the farmer's market. Later on, we're gonna have our dessert, but first we need to like do our digestion because our food is very heavy. Well, I am in heaven right now. This is one of my favorite fruits, guanábana. How do you call this in English? Tomate de árbol? No way. Oh my God, tomate de árbol.
Look at this. Right here.
Sour soup? Okay, I just learned that guanábana, which is this fruit, is called in English sour soup. And tomate de árbol is tree tomato. This is like, wow. And what is this? What is this, guys?
Cacao.
What is this? Cacao? Oh, cacao. So I'm in heaven. And also, we have organic eggs, $30 organic eggs, $12. So I'm taking my organic eggs. We also have some amazing nuts here. Wow, I love this market. Guys, you definitely have to come here. The market is open Saturdays and Sundays only, but you're gonna find everything that you can think of. They even have instruments and bags and clothing and shoes. And we're gonna go and get a massage because last time I was here I saw they were doing massages. This is the lion's mushrooms. This is like really good for your health. I love it. They have also moringa oil. I'm gonna give you a good tip. Bring cash to this farmer's market because you can get very good deals. They can lower the price of the items that you're about to buy, but only if you pay cash. So we are here with the owner of this amazing tea store, and of course we have to support the business. So we all bought teas, and I'm buying my turmeric and ginger.
Yes, this is spice teas of the Caribbean. We grow everything ourselves in the Caribbean. All natural.
Caribbean natural tea for my inflammation.
Yes.
So I'm gonna be skinny on the next video. Let's continue shopping. We just finished purchasing the tea from the Caribbean. She makes her teas herself. So let's see. We're gonna continue exploring. This is the massage place I was telling you guys about. So for 30 minutes it's $37. 40 minutes is $47. 50 minutes is $57, and 60 minutes is $67. So we're going to make a reservation because we are still very full. And then we're gonna come and do 1 hour massage. So right now we just made a reservation. We're gonna continue walking around and they're gonna give us a call whenever they're ready so Gio and I can do the massage together. They're fixing the beds right here. This is really nice weather. We are ready for my massage. I'm gonna lay down and it is time for me to say goodbye. I'll be right back in 30 minutes. Oh my God, this 30 minutes massage, amazing music, even though it feels hot outside. Here is like the perfect weather. He also gave me like peppermint oil. Oh, he has the peppermint there. Show it to me. Okay, so this, wow, I fall asleep. Look at my sleepy face. I wanted to stay here forever. Thank you so much. So my friend used their paying. My brother didn't do the massage. He waited 30 minutes for us because we are going to eat our chelado, our dessert. I am addicted to bikinis, and here we have Colombian bikinis from my city, from Cali. So I purchased this one, the little tiny ones that we have here. Today I'm not buying. And I still have my sleepy face from the massage. It is time for us to eat our dessert, our Colombian chelado. These are the typical chelado. They open the farmers market at 10 a.m. and close around 6 or 6:30. And we got here at 1 and it's 6 o'clock and we're still here and we have to hurry up to buy our eggs, vegetables, and fruits because they are about to close. Well guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you learned something new. So remember, bring cash so you can get better offers. And I see you next Sunday. Ciao, ciao.